That's how I wrote a song. Hello there, Your Honor. I wanna say I'm sorry for the things I've done.
You too. What's good? That's not how the intro starts. You too.
Hello, motherfucker.
It's the king with the crown,
Who are you?
Mr. KJ3 himself. What's good? What's poppin'?
Who you?
Brand new.
Okay. Now YouTube, they tried to shut down the Royal Guard.
Oh my God!
They tried to lock me down.
Oh,
Me.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches. Huh? You think you can do this shit? Jay!
By the way, face reveal, coming when I get big body. Cause I'm godly. Now YouTube, listen. This story time is a little bit different. I'ma explain why. It happened recently. And by recently, I mean it happened literally 2 days ago. Your man got a court case. A case? They wanna lock me down. Down. They wanna lock me down. Now let's take it back. Let's take it back. Let's talk about, how did this happen? So I'm in Jersey for this specific time, and I'm like, yo, me and my bros, we like, let's go to New York, cause niggas is trying to go thrifting. I want to get the vintage. I need the Gucci, the Louis, the Fendi, the Prada.
But I'm not a rapper.
And in order to get that, we gotta go to the thrift shop. It's New York. Why not? So we like, yo, let's all go to Penn Station, which is in Jersey. You feel me? You take the train to get to New York. Where I'm staying at, you feel me? It's mad close to New York. Niggas hop on a light rail. It's me and my boy Fendi, right? It's other people though. It's me, my boy Fendi, my boy Max Out, my boy Moolah, and my boy Pharaoh and Crawford, right? So we like, boom, me and Fendi, we gonna link up with Max Out, since Max Out, you feel me, he be in Florida, but he came down because he was trying to link with the bros. I'm like, bet. So we go to meet him. He not there. I'm calling him. No response.
no response.
Right? So we're like, yo, where the fuck is this guy, yo? We're looking for him. We don't want to take off without him. You feel me? We don't want to just leave him. So we like, all right, whatever. He'll probably meet us at Penn Station. We dip. Now, unbeknownst to us, me and Fendi, right? These guys are already at my boy Moolah house, the spot where we usually link up at, right? So we're like, yo, we're gonna hop on a light rail, and we're gonna just go straight to Penn Station, right? Because that makes sense. It makes sense. We have to get to Penn Station. So then, why the fuck would we not just go ahead and hop on a light rail and go to Penn Station? So we hop on a light rail. We go into Penn Station. We get off at Penn Station. We call and we're like, yo, where you guys at? They're like, yo, we're at Mullah's house. I'm like, wait, hold on. Y'all at where? Just as I say that, we step off the light rail, right? The light rail, if you don't know what that is, right? It's a means of transportation to get from point A to point B, C, D, E, all the way to Z, L, E, B, G, to Q, all that shit. You feel me? Wherever you need to go in the city, the light rail can 8.5 times out of 10 get you there, or at least close to it. You feel me? So we step off the light rail. I look at my boy Fendi. I look to my right. It's the fucking boys, bruh. It's the boydom. The boydom, bruh. Them ops, the cops, the coppers, the 12. Them niggas that be from 63rd. Sitting right there. I look to my right. The cop look at me, I look at him. You feel me? We lock eyes, make eye contact. And that nigga was like, let's go. You already know what time it is, let's go. I'm like, fuck. Now my boy Fendi, a couple thoughts was racing through our mind in that split second. You feel me? His idea, he was like, yo, I'ma just hop on a light. I'ma just hop on the track. I'ma jump directly on the fucking track and try and backpedal backwards. I don't know why the fuck he thought that was gonna work. No. Right? My idea, right? My idea was, well, I see these niggas is right here. Maybe, you feel me, if we just hop back on the fucking light rail, they won't say no shit. However, the light rail had already fucking taken off. And the other light rail, I don't know when the fuck that shit was gonna be coming back. So we was pretty much fucking screwed. We was pretty much fucked from the beginning. Everybody left us to go to Mullah House. We didn't even see these niggas at Penn Station because they wasn't there. On top of that, the nigga we was waiting on, Max out, that nigga had a fucking ride. The nigga was in a car and would have picked us up from Mullah's house because he thought we was at Mullah's house. But he didn't pick up the phone so we could tell him we're not at Mullah's house. Bruh. What the fuck? So the little light rail niggas, you feel me? They give us a little court date. Niggas got a court date. A court date. A fucking court date. Hold on. I got this shit right here, you feel me? Right the fuck here. Right? Let's look at this shit. The state of New Jersey versus... I'm not gonna tell y'all boys my government. You stupid. You feel me? Like, yo, what the fuck, bruh? I'm not even gonna try and fucking read that shit. Over a fucking ticket. Because we didn't pay for a $1 fucking ticket. Yo, like, you can't make this type of shit up. I swear to God, you can't make this type of shit up, bruh. I swear you cannot make this type of shit up, bruh. I kid you not. I kid you not. Niggas cannot make this type of shit up, bruh. You feel me? There was some other things that happened, but legally I can't talk about. You feel me? One of my mans had it on him. Therefore, you feel me? Thank God he didn't get caught though. He didn't get caught. You feel me? He didn't get caught by them niggas. It was just me and Fendi, bruh. Just me and Fendi. Shit, if he would have caught the other nigga, bruh. Oh, we going straight to jail. We going straight to jail. Probably would have got shot too. But like, that's some bullshit, bruh. That's not even the worst. Like, that is the worst part of the story. But it gets worse, right? We finally get to New York. Max Out doesn't even come with us to New York. You feel me? That nigga, he just doesn't even come with us. We get to New York, right? We get to New York, and we stop not too far from Times Square, right? So we are like, oh, what time? You feel me? Is like the thrift stop getting? You feel me? Like, what time is that shit open? Or what time does it close? Pardon me. What time does the thrift shops close? That nigga said, oh, the thrift shop closes at 7 o'clock. It was like 6:50 something. So we're like, okay, obviously we're not gonna fucking make it, right? By the way, the nigga we was with, Crawford, right? Couldn't ride a fucking bike. He didn't know how to ride a bike. So we're like, yo, alright, whatever. We're gonna teach you how to ride a fucking bike, right? Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious, bro. That nigga was pedaling. Nigga kept falling, tilting over and shit, hitting shit, bro. Yo, that's the funniest shit ever, bro. Funniest shit ever. I swear to God, it was the funniest shit ever, bro. So this nigga Crawford, he's like, yo, fuck it, bruh. It's gonna take too long for y'all niggas to get there. I know the thrift shop closed soon. Blah, blah, blah. Fuck it, right? Because I forgot to tell y'all, we had rented the little city bikes that be in over there. You feel me? We rented a city bike. Now, the thing that's funny, right? Because we all pretty much had a terrible time, right? This nigga Crawford didn't know how to ride a bike, so the nigga basically had to just pedal all the way back and wait for us back at the station while we went ahead without that nigga, right? My man's Mullah, he paid for him and Pharaoh's what's the name? for him and Pharaoh's bike, and they charged that nigga $100 for a bike. Mind you, one ride is $3. They charged that nigga 100. So that's tough, right? We get to the thrift shop. We didn't even make it to the fucking thrift shop. Niggas is riding through traffic. That shit was fun. My legs was burning, but honestly, I had fun. I'm not gonna cap. I had fun, right? Legs is burning. We get halfway to the thrift shop. Shit is closed. Fuck it. My legs hurt. I'm hot, right? I'm heated. Fuck that, right? I look up a brand new thrift shop to go to, right? I put in the little coordinates and shit. Hop in an Uber. I'm not walking. We hop in an Uber. We get to the thrift shop. We send the Addy to my boy Crawford. He hop in the Uber. He's over there. Now all of us is linked up, right? Because we were trying to shoot a YouTube video, and I was trying to find some vintage goodies. You feel me? Some vintage goodies. Didn't find nothing. Nothing. Not a damn thing. That shit was terrible. So we wasted money getting to New York, right? Me and Fendi got a court case. Moolah lost $100. Crawford basically missed out on a large portion of us just chilling, having fun on the fucking bikes, right? The whole trip was basically a fucking bust. We was in New York. We was going into stores and shit. We go to McDonald's. There's a homeless nigga there. That nigga start harassing us and shit. He might have been a crackhead. I don't know what the difference between a homeless nigga and a crackhead is. They both in the same boat. Same shit. Whatever. You feel me? I get a call from my mom's. She like, yo, where's you at? You feel me? You need to be home by 9 o'clock. It's 8:50. How the what? Yo, ma, I don't know if you know, but you gave birth to a normal human being. I'm not the Flash or nothing like that. I'm not necessarily sure if you knew that or not, but I'm human. There's no way physically possible I could instant teleport, run super fast, fucking time jump from where I'm at to you in 10 minutes. Right? So I call my mom. I'm like, yo, I'm in New York. I'll probably be home by like 10. That's the fastest I could possibly get there. I got home like 10:20. Perfect. I get home. I'm tired. I collapse. End of my day. Next day, bro called me. Yo, I called the number on the back of the ticket. Niggas got a court case. We gotta come in. I'm like, bro, what the fuck, bruh? Right? Because my boy Crawford, he offered to chip in to help us pay for the ticket. They don't even want the fucking money. Why, nigga? Just take your money. Why won't you just take the money? Why do you have to see me in the court? You feel me? Like why is it a necessity that you have to see me in order for you to take your money? You feel me? Like I'm telling you, I got the cash. I have the money. It's right here. Take the money. But you, for some reason, you still want me to come in. For what? For what? Man, Royal Guard, they trying to lock me down, man. They trying to lock me down. You feel me? Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on that bell. You feel me? That way, you feel me? I keep you updated on this court case. You feel me? Just pray for me. Hopefully, I'll be out that jam. You feel me? Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.